This is the door. You go in, lights, and then where do I start? Okay, let me start here. Okay, this is the wardrobe. Then when I open it, like there are hangers, like I just hang the clothes that I'm gonna wear tomorrow because they're wrinkled. And then when you open this door, like the lights just pops out. And then you have your safe right here, and then they provide you with these. I've never seen these kinds of slippers before. I don't think I'm gonna wear them because like I don't want to be sharing slippers with other people, and they don't even wash these slippers, so I'm not wearing that, sorry. And then the floor is also has some dirt on it. I don't know if they cleaned this room. Yeah, but whatever, the room is nice anyway, and the fridge looks dirty, but like it's whatever. And then your bar fridge, of course, the bar fridge situation. And then you have your water, just basic stuff, like, you know, as the other hotels I've been to, same type of thing. And then you have your shower. Okay, so that's my costume, sorry guys. Yeah, that's my costume. And then there's a towel right there. This is the door of the shower. And then there's the toilet. Okay, so this hotel has a very small, you know, bathroom. And then the towels, I just used 2 of them. And then there's the mirror. There's the mirror. Oh, you guys see the phone that's been giving you problems? Yeah, this is it. And then you have your basin. And then you have your 2 glasses. And then your normal bathroom stuff, blah blah blah, towels I used already. And then when I open this drawer, that's the thing that's been smelling. It smells, I don't know, it smells like a strong cologne. So yeah, they give you this cupboard situation kind of thing. This is how you close the shower door, and then it looks like this. Then moving on to the bed just before I go to sleep, so I thought I should do a room tour. Okay, so I've never seen this before, that they actually put the Wi-Fi in the room. Like, this is dangerous, you know, but because Thailand is safe, so it's whatever. Okay, so that's my room card. And then those are my stuff, my BlackBerry and whatnot. And then there's another mirror. There's another mirror. And then you have your tissues and some stuff when I do massages, food, and then food again, restaurant. Karaoke, that's where I want to go right now. That's where I want to go right now. And then the yellow bird, focus. And then the yellow bird disco. That's where I want to go after this. After, I want to start here, then move on to here. After this, I go here. But I need to eat, but I don't know where I'm gonna eat. Like, it's whatever. And then there's a drawer here, and then they have a hair dryer. It's like just basic hotel stuff, you know. And then the cupboard, the kettle, and then the tea stuff, the chair, the curtains, And then you open the curtains, it's dark in the night. Maybe I'll do another view of this tomorrow so you can see the view of the pool from this side. So this is the view from my room. It's a pool view, and then there's the street right over there. You can also open the window. You can also open the window. Yeah. Otherwise, guys, this is my room at Charoen Hotel. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Some motorcycles. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the karaoke and the disco. Okay, so okay, so the disco is downstairs. It's actually like a live band kind of vibe, but it's closed right now. So this is it. I don't know if I'm allowed to go in here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so they also have like ladies' nights on Wednesday. So it was packed here yesterday, and there's a live band. So it's not actually like a disco, because there's no stage. Hello. And then I guess this is the lounge. It's pretty dark out here. There's the ladies' nights. Okay, so now we are at the karaoke. Cocktail lounge. It's pretty dark because it's early in the morning. Nothing is really happening. So we go here. There's a bar. So yeah, the rooms are there, karaoke rooms. Yes, this is for weddings, when you have your wedding. Okay, so this is the where I had my dinner last night, and there's a river on the other side. I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the entrance.